Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you an awesome AI tool called Aiarty Image Enhancer. It can instantly make your images sharpen, clear and more detailed. Let's check it out. So guys, welcome back, and first one, open Aiarty Image Enhancer, and interface is very user friendly, and we can see something new here about the color and AI models. So first one, let's import images here, and we can drag and drop, or we can click this button or click here for add images. Let's click here and we can add images or add folder. I will choose add images. So I will try 3 images here. First one, select image 1 and open. And let me show first settings, and we can choose hardware here. We can choose CPU or GPU with video card and AI models. We have 5 AI models, and also we can click this question button for see what we can do with AI models. We can read these informations. So first AI model, I will use more detailed Gen version 3, and this is new version. We can see older version here, version 2, and today I will use version 3. And upscale, we can upscale to 8K or custom resolution, and let's choose upscaling 8 times and waiting for results. And here we go, we can see difference with this slider. Let's see. Image like this, very quality, very clean, not any blur and noises. I love it. We can see these hair details here and colors and face elements. I love it. Also we can see difference with side by side like this, but I love this slider version. So also we have face restoration here. Let's enable and waiting for inference. Okay, it's done. Again we can see face restoration here. Okay, again we can see it's work, and we can choose gradient overlay or routine overlay. Okay, let's see difference. Okay, that's good. I love this feature. Also we have color features. Let's enable, and right now we can change temperature here like this, and tint. We can play settings for better image results, and these lightings like this, and highlights and saturation and whites, blacks and shadows. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Okay, I like it. Also original image size very low, but upscaling size here is very high size. So also we can use image prompt here, and we can add text. Let's click add text, and we can add here text, and we can delete write girl, and can choose font here, bold, italic, and size, color, and outlines, rotation. And for export, we have 2 export ways: single export or batch export. We can use batch exports for multiple images. And let's open export settings. We can choose image format here, and DPI and label, and we can choose browse folder for exporting, and then click single export. Its exporting is very fast, and after export we can see image already here. That's good. So let's try another images for see results. Let's go to AI models and choose AIGCsmooth version 3, and go to import image, choose image 2 and open. And this is cartoon image, and let's wait for results. Okay, here we go, it's done, and also upscale 8 times. And let's see, let's zoom in here for see details. Okay, very nice. I love these black strokes and color, very good. So also we have 2-pass processing here, we can enable here for processing 2 times more. Okay, here we go, and also we can choose again AI models here, and I can choose here AIGCsmooth version 3. Okay, it's done, and we can control strange here, and let's zoom to like this. We can see very quality colors here, very clean, not any blur and not any noises. We can see these lines here, very quality. And this is 2 times pass processing for if you want to more quality and better images results. So it's very awesome, and let's try another AI model and image. Okay, go to again AI model and choose here real photo version 3. And let's turn off 2-pass time processing and go to import image, choose image 3 and open. So waiting for generate results, and here we go, it's very fast. And let's see results. Wow, very nice. We can see all details here, and let me tell you, this is very low image size. And go to upscaling. Let's use 2 times upscaling, and we can see new sizes here. And let's see size like this. Okay, we can see difference again, not any blur, noises, and very clean. I love it. And also we can use enable these colors for this image. Okay, that's good. So guys, for finally, let me show official website Aiarty Image Enhancer. We can get product here, and we can see examples here. We can see informations, news and updates, and we can see samples for understand what we can do with Aiarty Image Enhancer. I will add all links in the description below. You can check out now. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.